How to fix Instagram username not available on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram username not available on Android phone. First, open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then just go to settings, click apps and apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it, click for stop, go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your glitch, just click here and turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just try to select under another username and restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget like and see you in the next video.